Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a very beautiful poem, Mirror. Actually our day starts by looking in the mirror. We wake up early in the morning, go and watch our face and observe that is there any type of change, and according to that our day starts. It's what we exactly observe by looking in the mirror, that is there any type of wrinkle, is my black hair turned into white or somewhat else. But looking in the mirror provides us a complete picture of our personality, which we can say that it is a complete picture, but it is outer surface that we are going to observe. But what about the inner surface, which really impacts our overall personality? What is the mirror? What the mirror is doing? What is the duty of the mirror? That the mirror provides the reflection of the surface that is presented in front of the mirror. On the same level, the current poem Mirror by Sylvia Plath also describes the three basic elements, or we can say that the themes of the poem, that are: one is the time, another one that is the mortality, and third one is the beauty. What we are going to observe when we are looking in the mirror, that is the beauty. Everyone is searching for the beauty, and especially this poem is talking about the woman personality. So the contemporary situation in the period in which the Sylvia Plath has composed the poem, that is the patriarchal society. And the two important things are there for women, that in patriarchal society, that are beauty and aging, and the same worries, same sorrows reflected in the poem, that is the mirror. So I will read out the poem first, then we will have a critical analysis of the poem. What is mirror and what it is going to describe by. I am silver and exact. I have no preconceptions. Whatever I see, I swallow immediately, just as it is, unmistaked by love or dislike. I am not cruel, only truthful. The eye of a little god, four cornered. Most of the time I meditate on the opposite wall. It is pink with speckles. I have looked at it so long. I think it is a part of my heart, but it flickers. Faces and darkness separate us over and over. Now I am a lake. A woman bends over me, searching my reaches for what she really is. Then she turns to loose liars, the candles or the moon. I see her back and reflect it faithfully. She rewards me with tears and an agitation of hands. I am important to her. She comes and goes. Each morning it is her face that replaces the darkness. In me she has grown a young girl, and in me an old woman rises towards her day after day like a terrible fish. The mirror, this is divided into two stanzas. First stanza describes about the function or the objects of mirror, and the second stanza describes about the women, the condition of women when she observes her own reflection in the mirror, what she feels. That it is described as that she rewards me with tears and agitation of hands. Means when the women look into the mirror, as the duty of the mirror is to reflect the personality, the face or the figure without any type of preconception. That's exact what the picture shows us. On the same level, the mirror reflects the face of the woman, and now the eyes looking her own face in the mirror, the tears roll down from the eyes, and also there is an agitation of hands. So that the condition of woman when she observes. So with this we can say that the theme of the poem that the Slavia Plath is going to describe, that is the mortality, that nothing is permanent, the change is inevitable, your beauty is not going to be there with you as the time passes, the aging is going to be there, and there is a decay in your looking. So these are the important things that the poetess want to express with the help of this poem. But the object is mirror.